Okay, so I'm going to make a walkaway split. Put Virgin Queen in there, so see how it goes. A little bit overcast and windy today. Not a lot in the supers. Bees looking pretty good. Lots of bees in there. A bit of smoke. Woo! Windy. Try and find the queen first. She's got a red dot on her, so should be fairly easy to find. Buckfast bees-ish. This was a swarm, came to my house last year with a red dot on it already. You can see eggs. Brood, isn't it? No queen yet. Hopefully I'll find her. There she is. I'll put her in this box here. So she's nice and safe. I'm going to go in full frames of brood with hardly any eggs. I'll then try and introduce a Virgin Queen straight away. See how that goes. Right, that one will do. Got a few eggs on it. Okay, this is pretty good. 1, 2. This one too. Shake a few bees in because they will mainly fly back. Okay. Right. Some undrawn foundation in. 1. Queen is still on there. See the queen. Put her back there. Put that little frame there. these guys, I'm going to put a lid on. Put these back. Queen excluder. Supers. Pretty empty, that top super. I'm going to move this over here. Like that. I'm now going to get a queen, Persian queen, and then add her to the box. And I'm going to stuff a bit of grass in the box. Make it a bit trickier for them to come out. They might relocate, the flying bees, but I doubt it. This is my ad hoc incubator. There's a queen in that one, I think. Quickly take the lid off. I will have to come and feed these. Try and drop the virgin straight in. She's got hardly any scent on her. See how she goes. Oh, she's just, yeah. They're not really noticing her. Put her in. That's it, done. Write the date on it. 30th of May. Come back and check. Couple of weeks. If it fails, I've got some queens I'm grafting and I'll introduce one of them. And they're desperately queenless.